Hi everyone, welcome once again to the Analyst Essence. So in this video, I'm going to cover the common expression table. When you're writing a multiple lines of code and your code is getting complex, okay, so that time to optimize your code, we use a common table experience. So guys, see, writing a multiple lines of code is not a big deal. So the main important is like how to optimize your code efficiently. See, nowadays we are moving to the cloud, and you know better, cloud is charging money for every executing query, right? So your code is too lengthy and complex, and it takes more time, to execute. So according to that, a cloud is going to charge the money. So better and efficient way to write a query, I'm going to cover in this video to how to optimize your code as much as possible with the help of common table expression. So let's start without wasting our time. So in this video, I'm going to cover this table. We have employee ID, employee name, department, salary, and joining years. Okay, so with the help of this table, I'm going to use a common table expression. So first, let's understand what is common table expression. So common table expression is nothing but we create a temporary table. Okay, the duration we write the query, and once we execute, it automatically laps that temporary table. Okay, so what is the benefit of common table expression? So for that, I have created one beautiful doc. Let me show you. So let me open that doc, and then here is doc. So this is the doc which I have prepared for you. Okay, I'll also attach in this video. So, guys, I'm going to break this video into two parts. Okay. So first, I'll covering non-recursive tables. Okay. And then next video, I'm going to cover the recursive tables. Okay. So in a common table expression, we have a recursive and non-recursive. Two types of common table have. One is called recursive, another is called non-recursive. So in this video, I'm going to use only the non-recursive. Okay. So next video. Agenda of this video is to understand the common table expression. As I told you, common table expression is a temporary table. It executes during the query. Okay, and after that it laps. We understand the syntax and we also understand why we're using a common table expression. And more important, when we use a common expression table, and we look at some advantage and with the example. Okay, so as I told you, the common table expression is nothing but a temporary name and result set defined using with the with clause. So guys, sometimes common table also known as a with clause because we define with. Okay, because of that is known as familiar with the with clause and exist only during the execution of SQL statements. Okay, so when you execute that query, it automatically labs. So I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so this is the syntax of a common table expression. First, we define with the with because this is with clause query also. Okay, so with and then CT nothing but the name we are giving. Okay, and then we put alias and then this is nothing but a query we are writing inside the body. And then this is the best way optimize the query. No need to write the whole query. We just write whatever you mention in the name and just execute that. It will automatically run. Okay. So why we use the common table expression? So common table expression improve your readability. So how it improve the readability? Let's suppose let me jump in my SQL workbench. So I have written some query, okay, to show you. So if you see that in the last, I have written a long code, okay, starting from here to here, okay. So sometimes, it's hard to read the long query, even though I'm using with clouds, but when you're writing a multiple lines of code, it's hard to read that. When you know why? Because nobody have enough time, and let's suppose any your director not are regular in touch with your project, but you going to show them in a efficient time way, then you just optimize your query as much as possible so you understand efficiently. Okay, so this is the main actually. Readability breaks the complex query into small chunks. Okay, and reuse intermediate result. So what does it mean? You can reuse this code into the next part. Okay, and then easier to debugging. Let's suppose you getting any error, then you have a very easy way to your find out your what we call error because it highlight you only the part you have written, not a whole code. Okay. Alternative nested query, definitely it's alternative nested query. You can write inside the query. Okay. So let's jump into MySQL. Okay, I will write some code. So I have written some codes. First, let me explain you. Okay. So let's suppose first what I'm going to tell you. This one. Okay. So let's suppose this is a common table, right? This is a nothing but have a common table. Uh, okay, from here, this is a table I'm using this table only. Okay. So in this table, what I'm going to do that I'm fetching the department name, the employee name, and then I'm using. this two department I'm going to fetch. Okay, so what we need to write department and employee, right? And then average salary I'm also fetching. What is the average salary of this table? And using a group by to club according to the department wise. So once I'm going to execute this query, it will helping me department wise on employee name with the average salary. Okay, nothing too much here. So let's suppose this one I'm going to write with the help of with clause. So what will be the getting changes? You're nothing going to change anything in a result, but code you will get to some changes. You will looks okay. So first we write the with because we will start with the with clause. Okay, so we can also familiar with the with query. So with let's suppose I'm putting the name is ABZ average salary. Okay, as I'm mentioning average salary here, so I'm putting here average salary, and then we need to define alias and open bracket of course, and then I'm going to close this bracket. Okay, now here I'm not going to call the whole I mean whole the I'm not going to call all the names. I'm just using this name. Okay, whatever I've defined the with clause. So this is become a temporary table. All the name is included in this table. So now I'm going to call this table. Okay, which is temporary table. So I'm going to use select star from AVZ SALARY salary. Okay, salary. So once we execute, we'll get the same result. Okay, result will be the same, but your query is more efficient. Now you're not going to run only not going to run this whole table. You're just running this one. Okay, you want to any interchange in between, you can do that. Okay, now let's suppose you want to department the name. You can only use department name here, and then you'll get easily get the result. Okay, so let me execute. So this way you can play with the code of using a help of with clouds. So now let's suppose I want, let me run first this table. So let's start from employee. Okay. So now what I'm going to do that I'm thinking to fetch the not this one. Yeah, I'm going to use this table. Okay, this is not a good table for that. Yeah, I'm going to use this table now from as of now. I'm going to delete this one. Okay. Going to also delete this one as of moment. No need to you write. I'll write the later if it is required. So, what I'm going to do that. Let's suppose. Let me clear. So, what I'm going to do that. I'm going to find the employee name, a department, and salary, and then I'm giving the 10% bonus of this every employee. So I'm fetching employee name, department ID, and salary, and adding the 10% bonus of every employment. So how we do that? So we select what I'm going to write. Select EMP name. Okay, EMP name, EMP name, and then I'm going to use DPT name. Okay, then I'm going to use salary, and now what I'm going to do, salary में से मैं क्या करना चाहता हूँ, I want to give a 10% bonus. Okay, not 20. I'm going to use only salary into use 10% of comma 10% of bonus. ठीक है, salary into 10% of bonus, 0.10 as a bonus, bonus bonus. And now what I'm going to do that I'm going to use 10% bonus plus whatever the result I'm getting, I'm adding to the another column. So salary, okay, every time I'm missing a comma. Salary, okay, and now what I'm going to do that adding this 10% into here. Okay, whatever I got 10% as a bonus, I'm going to add the bonus is here. bonus bonus from my employee, right? Employees. Let me check. So bonus is not defined. As of now, I'm going to delete this one. The next column I'm going to write. Okay. So as you see that 10% bonus we are giving of every employee. So 10,000 of 10% is 400. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to convert this one into with clause. Okay. So what we need to do that we just put the with. Okay, and then I'm going to put as a bonus, because I'm going to define the bonus as well, BONUS bonus as a alias, and then I'm writing closing this one, and now I'm going to call only bonus. So let's, I hope you're getting BO. This is the advantage, and this is the flexibility. What we call going to do that, I'm going to add some taxes, okay, and I'm going to add this bonus into next salary, okay. So I'm going to add two more column. One is tax and another is the final salary, okay. So let's do how to optimize your query, okay. So I'm going to delete as of now. I'm going to use temporary table. So we will going to define new one, tax, common table expressions as a in, okay. Now I'm going to call the employee name, EMP name, and then I hope this is fine. Employee name, select employee name, and then I'm going to use salary, call the salary, and then I'm going to call a bonus, which is above already defined, BO anyways bonus, and then I'm going to define the new taxes, okay, salary से मैं कितना टैक्स ऐड कर रहा हूँ 0.5 मीन्स 5%, ओके 0.05 मैं कर देता हूँ, एंड देन एज ए टैक्स, okay, and then I'm comma missing here, and I'm going to use call this bonus, what I've given the name on top of that, bonus, BONUS bonus, okay. Now I'm going to call everything in the last column, okay. In the last I'm going to call my employee name, salary, bonus, tax, and then a salary final structure. So how we do that? Select let me bit switch more, okay. Select here I'm missing closing bracket, okay. Now we can use select employee name, and then I'm going to call my salary, okay, SALARY, and then I'm going to call bonus, BONUS, and then I'm going to call tax, okay, everything whatever defined, and then I'm going to one more column is you are going to add one more column that is called final salary, SALARY, salary plus bonus, BONUS bonus, minus taxes, okay. Bit space here, tax, tax. So I'm calling this as a final salary, final salary structure, okay. SALARY salary stuff, final salary stuff, okay. So this is my final table, okay, and I'm going to call from a table from what we have given the name, tax, tax CTE, okay, comma. So let me explain you once again, okay. First I'm adding one column, so giving up 10% bonus. Next immediate I'm creating one temporary table, okay, and defining the tax plus I'm defining the bonus, and then next I'm calling everything from there, okay. Oh, so salary, we are showing salary, salary SALARY, salary spelling is wrong somewhere, SALARY, SALAY, where is that wrong? कहीं पे मैंने सैलरी का स्पेलिंग गलत लिखा है, ठीक है, वही वो बोल रहा है, ओके हियर SALARY, नाउ एग्जीक्यूट, ओके। तो कुछ इस तरह अपने कोड को बार बार रीयूज कर सकते हैं, विच इज आप गिवन द एग्जांपल, विच इज आप गिवन, जो कि मैंने पहले ही आपको डॉक से बताया था कि कैसे हम कोड को रीयूज करते हैं। तो कुछ इस तरह हम कोड को बार बार यूज कर सकते हैं। तो मैंने पहले क्या करा, पहले मैंने एक सैलरी फैच किया, एम्प्लॉय नेम फैच किया, डिपार्टमेंट फैच किया, उसके बाद मैंने क्या किया, सैलरी से 10% का बोनस ऐड किया, उसके बाद मैंने क्या किया, 10% और टैक्स 5% ऐड किया, उसके बाद मैंने सबको एक जगह जोड़ दिया, ठीक है। So this way we can use a non-recursive table. And next video, I'm going to capture the recursive, and then I'll be using some example which is asked in interview, and I also show you how to print the repetitive number, odd number, even number. So wait till the second video, and if you think this video is going to helpful, please like my channel, like my video, and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.